Morning, students. I am Satish Kumar. I am assistant professor in Alaria Institute of Engineering and Technology. I am here to present my topic on the RSA algorithm. First of all, we discuss the RSA algorithm. Basically, RSA algorithm is based on the idea that factorization of integer into their prime factor is hard. Second is in the RSA algorithm, uh, we compute the two prime number p and q. This is the distinct prime numbers. And third, RSA algorithm proposed by Ronji West, Ari Shamir, and Leonardo Edelman in 1978. In the RSA algorithm, taking the surname of the all three scientists, one is the Rivest and Shamir and the Edelman. So this is called the RSA algorithm. Basically, RSA algorithm is an asymmetric cryptography algorithm, which means there should be two key involved. One is the public key and second is called the private key. Public key is same for the all users in the network, and the private key is the separate key, or it is also called the secret key for decryption. So first discuss the what is the RSA algorithm. Different steps in the RSA algorithm. Number one, first of all, select the two prime number p and q and compute the n equals to p into q. Second, compute phi of n equals to p minus 1 and q minus 1. Phi of n is called the totient function. And third point is the compute the public key. Public key is uh, less than from phi of n and greater than from 1. And third is the calculate the private key. This is called the D. So D into E mod of phi n equals to 1. And number fifth step, public key is the E comma n and the private key D comma n. We create the pair of public key and the private key. After this, we encrypt the message and decrypt the message. Encryption of the message equals to m at c equals to m to power e mod of n, and decryption of the message m equal to c to power d mod of n. We discuss the example of RSA example. Number one, we taking the two prime number p equals to 3 and q equals to 11. We are taking the small prime number because of the calculation is very high if we taking if we're taking large prime numbers. And the compute 10 equals to 3 into 11 equals to 33, and compute phi of n equals to p minus 1 into q minus 1 equals to 20. We select the e equal to 7 is the public key because e is not a part of phi of n. Equals to 20 equals to 5 into 2 into 2, and e should not multiply by 5 and 2 and should not divided by 20. So we select the number 7. A user select any number from 1 to 20 that is not the multiply by 5 and or 2 and not divided by 20. So we have select the number is e equals to 7, and then we calculate the private key d equals to d into e mod phi of n equals to 1, d into 7 mod 20 equals to 1, where we select that d equals to 3 because if we multiply 3 into 7 equals to 21, and 21 mod 20 equals to 1. So this is the condition is satisfied. So we taking the d equals to 3. After this, we create the pair public key and the private key. Public key is the 7, 33, and the private key is the 3, 33. Assume m equals to 31. M equals to 31 means value of m is the our message, or it is also called the plain text. The value of m always n is the calculation of prime number and p into q. So the value of n always less than from the n. So we select 31 because in our example the n equals to 33. So we compute. First of all, we encrypt the message c equals to m to power e mod of n. So c equals to 3 to power 7 mod 33 equals to that is the 4. And then decrypt the message m equal to c to power d mod of n. So m equals to 4 to power 3 mod 33 equals to 31. we have seen this. The message, finally we get the message equal to 31, means our uh, our message is accurate, and there is no attack on this algorithm. And then advantage of RSA. RSA algorithm is hard to crack since it involves factorization of prime number, which are difficult to factorize. Second is RSA algorithm uses the public key encrypt data and the key known to everyone. Therefore, it is easy to share the public key. After this, we discuss the disadvantage of RSA algorithm. RSA algorithm can be very slow in case where large data needs to be encrypted by the same computer. It requires a third party to verify the reliability of public key. Data transfer through RSA algorithm could be compromised through middlemen who might tamper with the public key system. And the conclusion of this, the both symmetric encryption technique and asymmetric encryption techniques are important in encryption of sensitive data. So, friends and students, this is the RSA algorithm. Thanks everyone.